Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to view watch history on the YouTube mobile app. Alright, let's begin. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. At the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Once inside your profile, look for the history option and tap on View All. This will take you to your full watch history, where you can scroll through and view all the videos you've previously watched on your account. Each video is listed in order from most recent to oldest, so you can easily revisit anything you've seen before. If you're looking for a specific video, tap the search bar at the top of the history page. Type in any keywords or the video title, and YouTube will show you matching results from your watch history. This is especially useful if you watched something days ago and can't find it by scrolling. This helps keep your history organized and private if needed. Additionally, if your watch history isn't showing up, make sure you're logged into the correct account and that watch history is turned on in your YouTube settings. So, that's basically how you can view watch history on the YouTube mobile app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.